So, we are taking everything we've learned and combining them all into single problems. For 3.10, our last lesson of the unit, we're going to have to multiply binomials and then add and combine like terms. So, example 1. X plus 2 times x minus 3 plus x plus 10. So for this example, in order of operations, what do I have to do first? Parentheses. I have two sets of parentheses, but inside, can you do anything? No. So what's the next one? Exponents. Do you see exponents? No. So what's the next one? Multiply. Do you see multiplication? Yes. Where?
Right there.
Oh, where's right there?
Good. X plus 2 times x minus 3. So we have to do that multiplication first. Because I don't have a lot of space for this one, I'm going to use FOIL method. So F in FOIL is first. X times x gives me x squared. O in FOIL is outside. So x times negative 3 gives me negative 3x. I is inside. 2 times x is plus 2x. And L is last. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Okay, so then we want to bring down the x plus 10. Since it's just a plus, when we distribute the plus 1, does it change anything? No, so we can just bring down plus x plus 10. Okay, does it look like I am done yet? No, what can I do next? Good, combine like terms. So we have an x squared. There's no other x squared, so let's just write that. And then we're going to do a little bit of mental math. Negative 3x plus 2x gives me what?
Negative x.
Negative x plus 1x. 0. So do I have to write it?
No.
No. So then we have negative 6 plus 10, which gives me?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. And that's my answer.
That's it?
Mm-hmm. 4x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 plus x plus 7. So similar to our previous problem, I have to do the multiplication first. Where do you guys see multiplication? Yeah, 4x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. That's multiplication. Let's use the box method on this, just so that we can see it done in two different ways. So that's 4x plus 2 times 2x minus 1. Let's fill in the box. 2x times 4x gives me 8x squared. 2x times 2, 4x. 4x times negative 1, negative 4x. And negative 1 times 2, negative 2. Okay, before I write everything, let's combine like terms. So that's going to give me 8x squared. 4x minus 4x. 0. They cancel. Minus 2. Is everybody okay with that? Okay, and then what do I do with this plus x plus 7? Bring it down. Alright, now what can I do? Combine like terms. So 8x squared doesn't have any like terms. Plus x doesn't have any like terms. And negative 2 plus 7 gives me positive 5. And that's my answer. Alright, example 3. This one similar but looks a smidge different. This time we have x minus 4 plus 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 4. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, So Omar says it's still the same thing, meaning what? I still have to do... I still do multiplication. My multiplication is just on the other side. 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 4. What I want you guys to do is pick whichever method you want and just multiply those two binomials for me. Okay guys, so really quickly, the x minus 4, have I used it yet? No, so we're going to bring that straight down. So that's x minus 4. And then let's put in the answer for this multiplication. What would the first term be? Who's in 14? What's the first term of the answer to that multiplication? Plus 6x squared. Good. Okay, what comes after plus 6x squared? Christina.
Then it goes.
So he did the 2x times 3x, so what's the next?
1 times negative 4.
That's the last one. Did you get an answer for the multiplication? Okay, so what'd you get in the second box?
3x.
So you did 1 times 3? So plus 3x, it was the next one. Okay, what's the next term? Which one x am I missing? Who's 36? Okay, so we have 6x squared plus 3x. What's the next one? Negative 4. So we're missing one, guys. So we have 2x squared, or 2x times 3x. I didn't do 2x times negative 4. What should that give me? Negative 8x. And then plus 3x, and then negative 4. Okay? Okay, now I can combine what? Thank you, like terms. I have 6x squared. Okay, 1x plus 3x, what does that give me? 4x. And what's 4x minus 8x?
Negative 4.
Negative 4x. Negative 4 minus 4, what does that give me? Negative 8. So my answer is 6x squared minus 4x minus 8. Do you guys agree? Okay. Example 4, we have x plus 2 squared plus x plus 1. Okay, following order of operations, what do I have to do first in this problem? Mary? Yeah, the exponent. I have an exponent here. When I have x plus 2 squared, this is from yesterday, when I have x plus 2 squared, what do I have to do first? Who's 22? Kyle, what do I do first? I can distribute the exponent? No. What do I do? Expand it. Good. So this is x plus 2 times x plus 2 plus x plus 1. Okay, let's use FOIL method on this one. So now I have x plus 2 times x plus 2. If you want to use the box, go ahead and use the box. So F stands for first, x times x. What does that give me? 28.
Where was your FOIL box?
Yeah, we're using FOIL, x times x.
It's x squared.
X squared, perfect. O stands for outside, so x times 2, 37. 2x, good. I is inside, 2 times x. 24. 2 times x. Plus 2x. And then L is last. 2 times 2, which gives me what? Who's 8? Julian.
4x.
2 times 2 is 4x?
Oh. 2 times 2 is 4.
4. And then plus x plus 1. So we just bring that down. Okay, what's my next step? Who's 21? Sure, what's my next step? Good, combine like terms. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any like terms to x squared? No, so we get x squared. I have 2x plus 2x. What does that give me?
4x.
4x plus 1x.
5x.
5x. And then last, 4 plus 1 gives me plus 5. Do you agree or disagree? Agree. Now how do you guys feel? We've done 4 problems. How do you feel about it? 4s and 5s? Everybody show me. If you're not a 4 or a 5, that's okay too. But I need to know. Good. Okay, excellent. Thank you guys. Let's do example 6. I want you to try this all by yourselves. I mean example 5. Typo. Example 5, do it by yourselves. Okay, so for this problem, what is the first step? What do I need to do first before I can start any math? Who's 35? Andrew. Perfect. Expand the x minus 5 squared. So x minus 3 comes down, and I get plus x minus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, so now I need to do the x minus 5 times x minus 5. Which method did you use, box or FOIL? Who's 12? Stephanie. FOIL. Okay, so you're going to do FOIL for us then. X times x gives me what? Plus x squared. Okay, O is outside. X times negative 5. What does that give me? Who's 7? Celia. X times negative 5. Negative 5x. Perfect. I is inside. Negative 5 times x. What does that give me? 39. Oh, absent. 30. Tiffany. Negative 5 times x. Negative 5x. And then L is last. Negative 5 times negative 5. 13. Genevieve. Positive 25. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what do I do next? Combine like terms. So I have x squared by itself. Okay, negative 5 plus negative 5 gives me what? Negative 10x plus 1x is negative 9x. And negative 3 plus 25 gives me? 22. Positive 22. Who got that for their answer? Excellent. Good job, guys.